welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October 2021. And this month's theme is Spellbound. That's why I did this like kind of witchy makeup look. And this box did cost me $25. And I do believe I just heard from EY Beauty, her video, that Boxycharm is supposed to be raising their prices, which is terrible, but with minimum wage going up, prices, everything else is going to go up because people have to pay their like factory workers more, and it's just everything goes up with it. But anyways, I don't want to be political, but let me show you what I got in my box. So the first item, which I did choose, is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And this retails for $34. This is a part of their watermelon range, so it smells really nice. It has like a light, sweet watermelon scent. And this says you could use it as a serum. You can use it as a highlighter, like over makeup to give like a dewy finish, or you can use it as a primer. And that's what I used it as today. And it is very moisturizing. And it says it's supposed to give you like a glow. And I did notice that, but there's no like mica or glitter or anything in there. It has such a nice sweet smell. I like it. And I don't know, it felt a little tacky when I put it on as primer, but I don't know, I like it. Niacinamide is supposed to help with pores, reducing pores, so I'm excited for this. And if you didn't get this in your Boxycharm, you could purchase this for $29 on Boxycharm's website. The next product, which is the best, my favorite product in the box, is from Ace Beauty. It is the Falling For You palette, which retails for $34.99. And this is a new launch that they put in Boxycharm for fall. It is so pretty. It is like the perfect fall palette. The quality is really nice. I did use this today and I went with more of the purple colors. I did have issues with another product, but it wasn't anything to do with this eyeshadow palette. It is just so pretty. I love it. The color story kind of reminds me of that Good Sport palette from ColourPop. I'm not sure. I have to see a picture of it, but it has those purples and the oranges. I'm pretty sure that one had greens too, but this one does have a shimmery green. Really pretty. I'm so excited, so happy I got this. And if you didn't get this, you can purchase this one for $9 on Boxycharm's website. So the third product I got is from Tint Beauty. This is a lash and brow duo, which retails for $29. So you have a mascara on one end and a brow gel on the other end. So I did use this today. The brow gel, a lot of product comes out on the brush and I had to scrape a ton off, and even that was like too intense. I was sitting there wiping off my brows because it was like way too much. I didn't mind the color. It was just, it's very pigmented, very rich brow gel. And then the mascara is a black one. It's a smaller one, but I don't know. I used it. I didn't think it was anything special. Honestly, I had to keep building. It was just, So I'm not like wowed by this product, honestly. Like, I feel like once I use more of this and it kind of like dries out, it would be better for the brow side, but I don't know. But the packaging does feel really nice and weighted. And they are currently selling this for $6 on Boxycharm's website. And the fourth product is from Jelly's Beauty. It is the Wing Stamp Liner, which retails for $22. And this is a new brand to Boxycharm. And you can purchase this for $6. So it's one of those like vamp stamp type things. I remember a couple of years ago, everyone was like doing videos trying this product out. So you have like a stamp to make a wing, and I tried it and I had a hard time. I am wearing it today. I don't know. This side, I like the way it turned out in this eye, but this one I kept having to wipe it off, redo it. And you do have like a felt tip liner on the other side because you do have to use this to perfect it. You don't really get a sharp point with the stamp, so I don't know. I think it's an okay product if you want like a guide for where you want the stamp, but it's a little tricky. I would have to practice more, but honestly, I don't see myself using this type of product a lot. I don't really do wing liner a lot, and if I do liner, but I don't wing it out like this far. I just think it looks, I kept looking in the mirror and thinking it looks strange on me, or I do like little tiny baby wings. But if, I don't know, like for a Halloween look or something, if I want a wing liner, I could use this to help me out. And the last product, which is the 5th product, is from Julep. It is a makeup remover towelettes. And this retails for $20. It is a new launch. And if you want to purchase it, you could purchase for $6. And it says it's for pore refining and it has witch hazel in it. So I think it's a nice, big package, and the little towelettes are a big size, and it's not too wet though. I think I like my makeup wipes a little more juicier, but I did use it to remove the makeup, whatever I had left over from work, and it seemed to do fine. It's handy to get something like this in my box. So overall, my total retail value of my box for October is $139.99, which I paid $25 plus tax. But if I bought each product individually on Boxycharm's website, it would cost $56. I don't know, I always think it's interesting to compare the prices, but overall, the only 2 products that I'm not really thrilled about are the Jelly's Beauty, the double wing stamp. But I do think it's a good item to put in a box because I don't think Boxycharm's ever put anything like this, or at least I never received it. So I don't think it's a bad item to put in the box. It's just me, my personal preference is I'm not thrilled. It's not a product I use. And then this product right here, I would have to keep playing with it, but I'm not thrilled with it. I did try this brand in Boxycharm before. They had an eyeliner, and I thought that was really good. But this, I'm just not. The brow gel's too intense, and the mascara is not enough, which is also personal preference. I am happy about this. It's always nice to get this brand in the Boxycharm because they sell this at Sephora, and it's still like a current, well-known brand. Makeup wipes are always handy to have, but this is the #1. It's a new product. It's gorgeous. It's a perfect fall palette. So if you guys get Boxycharm, I really hope you guys get this palette because it is beautiful. But that is it, guys. I will be doing my premium soon, whenever that comes in. It was supposed to come in today with this, but I don't know. I have to check my email or my shipping to see when that one is coming. But yes, I hope you all are having a great day, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.